The summer is almost over, and as the fall growing season starts, it's time to begin thinking about your reseed. If you are scheduled to get a reseed service or are thinking of getting one done, there are a few steps that need to be completed prior to service. This video is a guide to help you get your yard ready to go for us to come in and do what we do best. Remove any debris from your lawn, such as sticks, leaves, decorations, pet debris, and toys in order to clear obstructions and prevent any accidental damage. A few days before your scheduled service, have your lawn mowed down shorter than usual to a height of 2.5 inches. This height allows the aerator to penetrate the soil more effectively, opens space for seed to make contact with the soil, and will help prevent compost from smothering existing grass. There may be excessive grass clippings from the mow. Please ensure that it is removed or spread out. If your soil is dry, water your lawn for 5 to 10 minutes a day starting 2 days before your reseed. Moist soil helps the aerators pull a deeper plug from your lawn. Don't overwater it, or it may limit our machines from being able to access any saturated spots, which also disforms the soil and leaves ruts. For this reason, also avoid watering on the actual day of reseed service. Use flags to mark any sprinkler heads and other obstacles like termite traps, pop-up drains, and septic lids to prevent any potential damage to unseen objects during the aeration process. If it's not plainly visible, flag it. To mark sprinklers, simply turn on and cycle through all your sprinkler zones to locate and mark them. Flags can be purchased at your local hardware store, or you can reach out to the Sorensen Outdoor office to purchase some flags from us, with delivery included. It's courteous to notify your neighbors about the upcoming reseed service, giving them an opportunity to plan accordingly. Consider getting a soil test done prior to service if you haven't done so recently. Soil tests provide valuable information about your lawn's pH and nutrient levels. If we are doing a reseed, that is a great opportunity to knock out a lime application while we are there, if it is needed. Now you're ready for your reseed service. After overseeding, persistent watering is needed. Keep the soil and seed moist until germination. Water for 5 to 7 minutes in the morning and 5 to 7 minutes in the afternoon for 21 to 30 days. The objective is to keep the ground slightly wet constantly. Avoid overwatering or it could lead to the seed washing away. A good rule of thumb is to time it to stop before you accumulate sitting water or water visibly running downhill. If you do notice a seed washout due to rain or overwatering, we leave a complimentary bag of seeds so it can quickly be replanted. It might be tempting to mow once the new grass starts growing, as it will appear shaggy at first. But wait at least 14 to 21 days before mowing to ensure you don't displace any seed or crush the newly sprouted grass. If you have any questions prior to or after service, please reach out to our office anytime during business hours. By following these steps and communicating effectively with us, you'll be well prepared to have your lawn revitalized and looking its best for the upcoming season. For more tips and services, please subscribe to our social media, visit our website, or contact Sorensen Outdoor Services.